Looking for the best cordless chainsaw for pruning, garden maintenance, firewood, bamboo, or outdoor wood cutting? In this video, we compare 5 compact and cordless chainsaws featuring different bar sizes, brushless motors, battery-powered operation, lightweight handheld designs, and compatibility with popular battery platforms. From small 6-inch pruning saws to a powerful 16-inch dual battery chainsaw, these models offer different levels of cutting capacity and portability for yard. Number 5. 6-inch multifunctional cordless electric chainsaw. The 6-inch electric chainsaw is a compact pruning and woodworking tool designed for household and garden applications. Its small form factor makes it convenient for trimming branches, cutting smaller pieces of wood, and completing light DIY projects. The cordless design provides freedom of movement, while its multifunctional positioning makes it suitable for users who want a compact electric saw for various small cutting jobs. Compared. Number 4. 16-inch brushless cordless chainsaw for DeWALT 20V batteries. The 16-inch brushless cordless chainsaw is designed for users looking for a larger cutting capacity while maintaining cordless mobility. It is advertised as compatible with DeWALT 20V battery packs and uses a dual battery configuration. The 16-inch bar provides considerably more cutting reach than the smaller 6-inch pruning saws in this list, making it more appropriate for larger outdoor woodcutting tasks. The brushless motor. Number 3. 6-inch cordless electric chainsaw. The 6-inch cordless electric chainsaw is designed as a compact solution for garden pruning and small woodcutting jobs. It is intended to work with an 18V battery platform, although the listed configuration does not include a battery. The handheld design makes it relatively easy to carry and maneuver around a yard or garden. Its compact guide bar is suited to smaller branches and woodworking tasks rather than large-scale tree cutting. Number 2. Heimerdinger 40V 1600W brushless chainsaw. The Heimerdinger 40V brushless chainsaw is designed for users who need substantially more power for demanding outdoor cutting tasks. It features a clean 1600W output and brushless motor design, making it suitable for pruning, bamboo cutting, logging, and garden or farm work. The cordless configuration provides mobility without a power cable. This model is supplied without a battery, so buyers should verify battery requirements. Number 1. 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw. The 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw is designed for lightweight pruning and everyday garden maintenance. Its compact handheld design makes it easier to maneuver when trimming branches, cutting small pieces of wood, and performing general yard work. The battery-powered configuration eliminates the need for a power cable during operation, providing greater freedom of movement outdoors. Its smaller size can make it convenient for users who need a portable pruning. These 5 cordless chainsaws provide different solutions depending on the type and size of cutting work. The 6-inch mini chainsaw offers a compact option for everyday pruning, while the Heimerdinger 40V1600W brushless chainsaw focuses on higher power for garden, farm, bamboo, and logging applications. The 6-inch 18V chainsaw is a practical choice for users with a compatible battery platform. The 16-inch dual battery chainsaw provides the